Hi everyone, and welcome to day 9 of 4-H embryology. So let's take a look at our chicks. So today the humidity is at 61%, so that's a little high, and our temperature is at 99.5. So let's talk about comparing how the hen meets the needs of the embryos versus how the incubator is meeting the needs. So the hen is meeting their needs, which by sitting on the eggs physically. So the hen will actually take the eggs and kind of gather them underneath her and sit on those eggs for long periods of time during the day to keep them at the temperature that they need to stay warm. And then for the humidity, we live in Florida, so there's actually a pretty high level of humidity in the air, so that achieves the right level of humidity for these eggs to have a pretty successful hatch rate. The conditions are not always controlled though, especially in the state of Florida. We have a lot of predators for those eggs to where they may not be safe. Hens are pretty broody and they protect their eggs, but she may get up to get some water or feed, and during that time there could be a snake that comes in, there could be another hen that tries to eat and get into those eggs. They could get rolled off of maybe the area that she's sitting in and break. So in an incubator, we're able to meet the needs a little bit different. We're able to control the humidity to an exact number, and we're actually able to control the temperature as well. The other thing that we can do in an incubator that's not always possible with the hen sitting on the eggs is to maintain a proper level of safety. So this incubator has pretty hard sides. We keep it on a level table and we keep it inside of a building so nothing can disturb it. And we want to make sure to keep the eggs safe during that time. So generally our hatch rate is pretty good with 4-H embryology, and it may be a little more successful than sometimes a hen sitting on those eggs because she's consistently having to rotate them. And she can only sit on so many at a time. So we're able to achieve a higher number of eggs hatched using an incubator usually, because one hen, there's no way that she could sit on 40 eggs or 30 eggs. And in this project, we're able to hatch 30 eggs in this one incubator if we have a really high success with our hatching rate. And even if we only are to hatch half that many, we still have a better chance of hatching than maybe the hen, because we're able to put more underneath the incubator than we could underneath one hen. So we have to keep that in mind. Basically with the needs, we're just trying to make sure that we have the best environment possible for the eggs, whether it be under the chicken or under the incubator. And then the other term that I wanted to talk about today was calcification. So this is where the salt minerals basically form together and harden, and that's the process that develops bones. So our embryos are developing bones inside of the shell, and they're actually having their feather tracks starting to appear today. So happy day 9, and we'll see you tomorrow for double digit.